Hello fern enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the elegant world of Pteris albolineata, commonly known as silver ribbon fern. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of ferns. The silver ribbon fern is a striking fern species admired for its unique foliage. Native to Southeast Asia, including regions like Malaysia and Indonesia, this fern thrives in tropical climates and is often found in humid, shaded environments. What makes it particularly captivating is its distinctive silver-white stripe along the center of each frond, giving it an elegant and eye-catching appearance. As a result, the silver ribbon fern has become a sought-after ornamental plant in gardens and indoor spaces. While the silver ribbon fern is primarily grown for its aesthetic appeal, ferns in general have a long history of traditional medicinal uses in various cultures. They are known for their potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, specific medicinal uses can vary, and it's crucial to rely on accurate botanical identification and consult with healthcare professionals for reliable information on the medicinal properties of the silver ribbon fern. As with many ferns, it's essential to appreciate their beauty while recognizing their traditional significance in herbal practices. This fern thrives in well-drained soil with bright indirect light. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering, and a humid environment. Staying a consistent moisture level and protecting it from direct sunlight are crucial for its well-being. Silver ribbon fern adapts well to indoor spaces, shaded garden areas, and mixed fern collections, bringing a touch of elegance to your plant haven. Thank you for joining us on this fern-filled journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Until next time, may your fern collection thrive, and may your encounters with Pteris albolineata bring a touch of sophistication and natural beauty to your botanical adventures. Farewell, and happy fern keeping.